Hi YouTube, and in today's lesson I'm going to take you from not being able to play a single song and in 4 steps be able to play this. So the song is called Horse with No Name. We've got 2 chords. We've got E minor. So you're going to take your 2nd finger and your 3rd finger and you're going to place them on the 2nd fret of the 5th string and the 2nd fret with your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So the strings go highest to lowest. So you start off down the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got E minor, then you're going to move them up. You're going to move your 2nd finger up a string and your 3rd finger down to the 3rd string. So just move them up and down a string, 1 each. Now you're going to strum that and then change. And once you've got that, that's the core of your song. And keep practicing that until you can do it. And once you've done that, you've got step 1 done. Now what I want you to do for step 2, I'm going to strum it 4 times and then change. Now, it's important when you're changing here, try not to do it too fast at first. You do it how quickly you can do it correctly. So if you can only do it really slow, then just do it slowly, but make sure you're changing and the notes and the chords are coming out. And as you go, try and speed that up a bit. So eventually you've got a speed like this. And what we're going to do after that, that's a little bit boring. So we're going to put a little strumming pan into it. We're going to go down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And if you notice, there's a little pause in between those 2 strums. It's just down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now the pause is so important. I think of it like punctuation in a book, commas and your full stops. The pauses and the gaps is what makes the song, that's what makes the tune. If I was to play it without that pause, it would just sound like this. So there's no real tune, there's no real song. Pausing. So I'm going to go down, up, pause, up, down, up. So once you can do that, you can play the song. That's the song all the way through. But what we're going to do, we're going to try and add a little something. You don't have to do this, but it makes your guitar playing so good. We're going to add a little bit of a mute into it. We're going to go. So on the 2nd strum down, we're going to lift our fingers off and to try and lay them across the strings. Carry on strumming as you are, so we're going to go. Now the reason I like to do that is even if you can play the whole song, if you're ever trying to learn a new technique, whether it be just in muting here, or you might be palm muting it, so you might be practicing resting your hand on the strings, you might be going. Pick a song that's really easy. Pick a song that you know that you can play with your eyes shut, and practice your techniques on that. So it might be hammer-ons as you get further into playing the guitar. This is a great song just to practice that little mute. And that's the whole song. Really easy. This should be your first song. If it isn't, if you've learned other songs, great. But this is a really good song just to practice techniques with as well. So I'm sure if you've been following along, I hope you can play that. You can play that now. But if you've got any questions or any thoughts, if it's helped you, comment below for me. Hit subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned for some more lessons. And I'll see you soon. Cheers.